Hi, in this video I show you what is C# initializer. So in a nutshell, C# initializer helps us to create an object and then initialize its attribute in one statement. For example, in here we have a class product with all the attribute ID, name, description, and etc. And in here, in the main, I want to create an object, my product, and initialize all the attributes. So you see ID, names, etc. in one statement. When I run, this is the output. You can see here, right? Only one statement, my product. And when I write my product in here, we'll have ID, name, description, and then price category. So why do we need object initializer? For example, I have a product object called my product. The problem is how to initialize attributes values of my product. For example, I want to set my product ID, my product name, description, and etc. How can we do that? You have option 1, right? So option 1 in here we use in setters or properties. So in here we use property ID. We set my product.id equal to 100, my product.name equal to something, description, etc. That this is option 1. What is the problem with the option 1? So you see that my product here, my product.id, my product, etc. A lot of repetition using the same variable. And because of that, Microsoft introduced the C# object initializer. So in here, we can create a new object using this constructor. And right away, we can use property, for example, ID equal to etc. in order to initialize the attribute right away. So in here, I can initialize ID, name, description, and whatever I want without using this my product variable again. So you can see that although the output is the same, the syntax is more concise using this object initializer. I hope you enjoyed the video and thank you very much.